Hello, I am teacher Mitali and today we will continue with the first lesson in maths, large numbers for class 4. First we will see how to compare large numbers and put the greater and less than equal to sign. Now look at the first example. If you want to compare any two given large numbers, first you need to count the number of digits in that number. See the first example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 digits here. On the other side, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, by now we all know that a 6-digit number is greater than a 5-digit number. So, I can easily say that 1,28,427 is greater than the other number. Now I have put a greater number sign here, that is the open mouth towards the greater number. Now look at the next example. In this case, both the numbers have 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what do we do now? In such cases, we compare the leftmost digit. The leftmost digit here is 8 and the leftmost digit here is 9. So since 9 is greater than 8, we can easily say that 95,676 is greater than 82,396. Now look at the third example. In this case also, there are how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, there are 5 digits in both the given numbers. Now, we will check the leftmost digit. The leftmost digit is 3 here. Here also it is 3. So, can you say which number is greater? No. So, what do we do next? We move to the right and check the next digit. So next digit here is 2 and here also is 2. Again we cannot say which number is greater. So again we move towards the right and check the next digit. Now the digit here, the third digit is 7 and here it is 6. So since 7 is greater than 6, now we can say that 32,706 is greater than the other number. I have put an open mouth sign towards the greater number. Now, to compare large numbers, we have to know and remember 2 rules. First, if 2 numbers are given, count the number of digits in each number. The number with the greater number of digits is greater. 2. If the numbers have got the same digits, then we compare the leftmost digit. If the leftmost digit is also the same, then you keep moving to the right till you get a digit which is different. The number which has the greater digit is greater. Clear? Now, after knowing how to compare the numbers, we can easily sort them out or arrange them in ascending and descending order. Now, what is ascending order? What is ascending order? In ascending order, we write the numbers from small to big. And in descending order, we write the numbers from big to small. Now, let us understand this, children, with the help of an example. Now, write in ascending order. Here, we have to write the numbers from small to big. right? Now look at all the numbers given first. Look at them carefully and first find the smallest number in this list. Now if I see here, I have this number which is the smallest. I label it as 1. Now focus on the other 3 numbers and again find the smallest in these 3. Now you will see that this is the smallest. Let's label it 2. Now 2 more numbers are left. Again compare them and write who is the smallest. So I think this is the smallest. Right? Now if I write these numbers again in this serial order 1, 2, 3, 4, I will get the numbers in the ascending order. Let's do it quickly. 23,000. Okay, second is 32,000. Third is 33,496. Right? So small to big. This is the smallest number and this is the biggest in this list. Now we will see how to write in descending order. For descending order, how do we write? We write it from big to small, right? So now look at the numbers given again and find the biggest number here. So which is the biggest number? 1, correct? Now focus on the other 3 numbers and find the next greatest number. So this will be the biggest number. Now look at these 2 and compare them. Okay, now this is the third biggest. Big to small. We need the order now from big to small. So big, second, third, fourth. So this is the smallest number. Again I'll write it in the serial order 1, 2, 3, 4. What will I get? 55. 3, 2, 5 will be first. 55. 2, 2, 5 second. 54, 3, 2, 5. Okay, so from big to small, this is the biggest number and this is the smallest number in the list given. Next we will see what we mean by the successor and predecessor of a number. Okay, now what do we mean by successor? Successor of any number is the number which comes just after the given number. Okay, now how do we find the successor of a given number? Suppose you have a number and you are told to find the successor of this number. What you will do is you will just add 1 to the given number. So what is the answer? So 20,217 is the successor of this given number. Now coming to the predecessor. What do you mean by a predecessor? Predecessor of a number is the number which comes just before the number. Okay, so to find the predecessor, what we do is, suppose you have a number, okay, and you want to find the predecessor of this number. You minus 1 from the given number. So what will you get? So 1,20,211. So this is the number which comes just before the given number. So this is called what? This is called a predecessor. Now we'll take one more example. Suppose you are given a number here. Okay, now you are told to find a predecessor and the successor. Okay, now to find the predecessor, what did I tell you, children? You have to minus 1. You want the number just before this, right? So you will minus 1. 219 minus 1. What will be? 81206. So you get 60,218. And to get the successor, that means you want the number just after this number, right? So what will you do? Same number you take and add 1 since you want the next number. 9 plus 1, 10. So what will happen? You will get 60,220. This is the successor and this is the predecessor of this given number. Clear? By now we all know that the greatest 5-digit number is 99,999 and the smallest 5-digit number is what? 10,000, right? Now similarly the 6-digit number, the greatest number is 9,99,999 and the smallest 6-digit number is what? 1 lakh, right? Now we can even form the greatest and smallest number if you are given a particular list of digits. We'll see how. Form the greatest and smallest 6-digit number using the digits okay. You have to use only these given digits. You cannot use any other digits and make the smallest and the greatest 6-digit number. But again, I am giving you one more condition here. You cannot repeat the digits, that is without repeating the digits. You cannot repeat the digit. You can use it only once. So how do we do this? First, I will make 3 columns. One for the digits given, one for the greatest number and one for the smallest number. Now, what digits do I have? 9, 6, 3, 7, 4, 2, right? Now, to make the greatest number, we have to write the digits in the descending order. We have to write the digits in descending order, that is from big to small. Now, which is the biggest digit? 9, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2. This is the descending order of my digits, right? Now, separate them with proper commas at the required places and you get the greatest number. So, 9,76,432 is the greatest number formed using these digits. Now, to find the or form the smallest number, what do? We write the digits in the ascending order. So 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9. Now again separate them with commas at proper places. So 2,34,679 is the smallest 6-digit number. Now look at the other example. Okay, now here you have a 0 as one of the digits. So to make the greatest number first, write the digits in the descending order. So which is the descending order here? 9 first, 8, then 4, 2, 1, 0. So 9,84,210 is the greatest 6-digit number formed. Now be careful, one of the digits is 0. So you cannot write a 0 in the beginning. You cannot write a 0 in the beginning because then it will be a 5-digit number instead of a 6-digit number, right? So what do we do? Which is the next smallest number here? 1. So write 1 first, followed by the 0, and then write the other digits in the ascending order. So 2, 4, 8, 9. Separate it with commas. So now what you'll get? 1,02,489 is the smallest 6-digit number. So remember children, when one of the digits is 0, 0 always comes as the second digit from the left. So this is my left, it will always come as the second digit from the left when you are making the smallest number. Now this was the first case. Now we'll see the same thing again where you have to form the greatest and smallest number, but now the condition is different. Now the condition is different. I am telling you, repeat the digits as required. Repeat the digits as required. So now the digits given to you say are 1, 9, 4, 2. Now you have to make the smallest and greatest 6-digit number using the digits 1, 9, 4, 2. But the condition is you can repeat the digits as many times as required. So again we make 3 columns. Okay, the greatest number and the smallest number. Now the digits given are what? 1, 9, 4, 2. First write the given digits in the descending order to form the greater number. So 9, 4, 2, 1. Now children, just see, you are given only 4 digits, right? And you are told to make how many digit number? A 6-digit number. So I will repeat the largest number how many times? 2 times. So this will give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Separate with commas. So 9,99,421 is the greatest 6-digit number formed. Now to form the smallest number, again write in the ascending order. Right? Now again there are only 4 digits and you need 6-digit number. So now this time I will repeat the smallest number 2 more times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1,11,249 is the smallest 6-digit number formed from these 4 digits, and we have repeated the digits as many times as needed. Now that all the concepts are clear, now you will have to use these concepts in your daily life applications. Okay, I will give you one example. Say you are told that Mr. Rao earns rupees 3,20,400 per month, and Mrs. Rao earns rupees 1,25,600 per month. Now You need to apply the concepts which we have just seen. Now, which concept you will apply here? You will apply the concept of comparison of large numbers. Now, if you compare, first there are 6 digits in both the numbers. So, you will look at the leftmost digit here. Since 3 is greater, Mr. Rao's salary will be more than Mrs. Rao. So, Mr. Rao earns more than Mrs. Rao. This is how you have to apply in your daily life application.